The Vapamore MR750 Ottimo is the most powerful and compact heavy-duty steam cleaning system available. With over 2 years in development, the engineers at Vapamore set out to create the absolute best steam cleaner available. Performance, durability, and value were top priority when developing the MR750 Ottimo. In this video, we will be covering what is included with the Vapamore heavy-duty steam cleaner. After unpacking, you will see a wide array of tools and accessories along with all parts needed for assembly. Select the following parts and tools for assembly: the MR750 Ottimo, power cord hooks, accessory storage basket hardware, and assembly tool. Install the basket as shown using the supplied Allen head screws and rubber washers. Tighten the Allen head screws with the supplied tool. Next, install the power cord hooks by screwing the hooks onto the studs located on the back of the MR750 Ottimo. The MR750 comes with a large selection of accessories and attachments, including a smooth surface floor head adapter, steam gun and hose, 2 extension tubes, bed bug fabric tool, accessory tool adapter, detail jet tool, fabric tool cotton cover, floor head microfiber cover, jet nozzle tool, scraper tool, nylon grout brush, medium nylon brush, large nylon brush, small brass brush, large brass brush, large stainless brush, small horsehair brush, large horsehair brush, water measuring cup, fill funnel, water level dipstick, accessory storage bag, extra replacement O-rings. Now we will go over using the MR750 Ottimo. Begin by removing the water tank cap by pushing down on the cap and turning counterclockwise to remove. Always make sure the steamer is completely cooled down before removing the water tank cap. Place the funnel into the water tank opening. Fill to the desired level using the supplied measuring cup. See the Filling in Operation page of the included instruction book for water levels and working times. Make sure to use only distilled water in the tank. Using any additives or hard water will void the warranty. Use the included water level dipstick to check water levels before use and adjust the water level to the desired level. Replace the water tank cap by pushing down and turning clockwise until the cap is fully tightened down. After plugging in the steamer, turn the main power switch to the on position. You will see the red status light turn on, indicating the heater is now on. Depending on the water level, the green indicator light will turn on between 5 and 20 minutes, indicating the steamer is up to full temperature and pressure. Once the green light is on, the steamer is ready for use. Note the green light will cycle on and off during use as the heater cycles on and off to maintain steam temperature. Continue using the steamer as the light cycles on and off. The steam output pressure can be adjusted by turning the steam output pressure knob to the left and to the right to the desired output level. Let's take a moment to go over how to use the accessories and attachments. First, insert the steam hose into the port located on the front of the steamer by pushing securely into place. The 2 lock tabs will click into place when fully inserted. The steam gun has a safety lock. By pushing this lock forward, the trigger is locked and cannot be operated. By pushing the trigger down first, then engaging the lock, it will keep the trigger in the down position to allow the steamer to operate without holding the trigger down manually. The extension poles, detail jet tool, bed bug fabric tool, and accessory tool can be attached directly to the steam gun. To attach, push on to the steam gun and push to lock in place. These same attachments, along with the floor head, can be used with 1 or 2 extension poles and attached in the same manner. The accessory adapter must be used with all brushes, the scraper tool, and the jet-angled nozzle. To attach, push onto the accessory adapter and twist to lock in place. When using the brushes with the accessory adapter, Make sure to use only light pressure and let the steam do the work. When using the floor head, attach the elbow adapter by inserting the adapter and twisting to the up position. The microfiber floor pad must be used when using the floor head. Attach the floor head to the extension tubes by pushing to lock in place. Residential and commercial cleaning professionals, as well as homeowners, use the MR750 Ottimo to clean and sanitize their entire home or office. Hard surface floors and grout, hard surface countertops, bathrooms and kitchens, windows and mirrors, outside the home such as barbecues and patio furniture, air conditioner and heating vents, cleaning spots in car upholstery and detailing. Remove spots and stains, such as gum, from hard surfaces, carpets, and upholstery. Freshens furniture and bedding. Kills bed bugs, dust mites, and other allergens. Remember, always use distilled water only, and never add any cleaners or chemicals to the tank. Never pull the steamer around by the steam hose or power cord. Always extend the power cord to full length to prevent heat buildup in the cord.